Feeling drained, moody, or stuck with stubborn weight, and nothing seems to work? You're not just getting older, and it's not all in your head. The real issue might be a hormonal imbalance, silently affecting your mood, energy, and metabolism. But here's the good news. You can reset your hormones naturally without meds, and with zero side effects. Welcome to the Natural Hormone Diet, a science-backed, fast-acting approach built around hormone-balancing foods that help you feel amazing from the inside out. Just a reminder that this video is strictly for instructional purposes. So, if you have any medical concerns, consult your doctor. Understanding the natural hormone diet. The natural hormone diet isn't some trendy detox or restrictive plan. It's a long-term, sustainable approach to supporting your body's endocrine system through the right foods. When you focus on nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory, hormone-supportive meals, you help regulate key players like estrogen, insulin, and cortisol naturally. This diet is especially powerful for women dealing with PMS, menopause, or thyroid imbalances, but it can benefit anyone feeling off balance. Top 7 hormone-balancing foods. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish fight inflammation and support hormones tied to stress and reproduction, like cortisol and estrogen. Just 2 servings a week can make a real difference. Flax seeds. Tiny but mighty, flax seeds contain lignans, natural compounds that help balance estrogen. Plus, they're packed with omega-3s and fiber, which promote hormone detox and digestive health. Tip: grind flax seeds fresh daily. Pre-ground ones lose nutrients quickly due to oxidation. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. Loaded with antioxidants and fiber, greens are your liver's best friend, and a healthy liver helps clear out excess hormones. They're also low glycemic, meaning they stabilize blood sugar, which is crucial for hormone regulation. Avocados. These creamy superfoods are full of potassium and healthy fats, both essential for hormone production. They also nourish your adrenal glands, which manage stress responses. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Antioxidants in berries protect hormone-producing glands from oxidative stress. Their low sugar content helps maintain steady insulin, an unsung hero of hormone health. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts. Nuts bring healthy fats, magnesium, and protein to the table. They help regulate insulin, stabilize mood, and support brain health. Whole grains. Quinoa, chia seeds, brown rice, oats. Whole grains offer complex carbs that provide slow, steady energy and fiber to aid digestion and estrogen metabolism. A 2025 review by the NIH confirmed fiber's key role in hormone balance. The role of fiber in hormone regulation. Here's what most people miss when trying to balance their hormones. Fiber is just as important as healthy fats or protein. Why? Because excess hormones like estrogen get flushed out through your digestive system. If things aren't moving, those hormones get reabsorbed, throwing your system out of balance. Fiber also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which helps regulate hormone signals, especially those tied to mood, metabolism, and menstrual cycles. A 2025 study from the National Institutes of Health found that a fiber-rich diet helped reduce estrogen dominance in women by improving elimination and gut health. Make these fiber-packed foods your daily staples. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, whole grains, oats, brown rice, fruits, apples, berries, veggies, broccoli, carrots. You don't need to overthink it. Just aim for a few servings with every meal, and your hormones will thank you. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to incorporating fermented foods for gut health. Your gut isn't just digesting food, it's sending chemical signals that affect everything from mood to metabolism. That's why a healthy gut microbiome is essential for natural hormone balancing. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that support your gut lining, boost nutrient absorption, and help regulate hormones like estrogen and cortisol. A 2024 clinical review from the Mayo Clinic showed that adding fermented foods improved gut diversity and supported hormone stability in women dealing with perimenopause and stress-related imbalances. Here are 4 powerful fermented foods to add to your week. Yogurt rich in live cultures that support digestion. Kefir, a probiotic powerhouse with a tangy kick. Sauerkraut full of fiber and gut-friendly microbes. Kimchi, a spicy, immune-boosting Korean classic. Start with small servings daily. Your gut and hormones will feel the difference. Meal planning tips for hormonal balance. Planning your meals with hormones in mind doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, small, consistent choices can help you feel more energized, clear-headed, and emotionally steady throughout the day. Here's how to make your meals work for you. Balance every plate. Include lean protein, like eggs, fish, or legumes, healthy fats, such as avocados or nuts, and complex carbs, like quinoa, oats, or sweet potatoes. This trio helps keep blood sugar stable, and stable blood sugar supports balanced hormones. Eat on a schedule. Skipping meals or eating at random times can spike cortisol and mess with insulin. Try to eat at regular intervals. Stay hydrated. Every hormone in your body relies on water for transport and detox. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day. Minimize processed foods. Steer clear of refined sugars, trans fats, and additives that can throw off your hormonal rhythm. Consistency here makes a big difference. Your hormones love routine. Foods to avoid for hormonal health. Just as the right foods support hormone balance, the wrong ones can throw everything off. If you're serious about feeling better, here are the top offenders to limit or avoid. Processed foods. These are loaded with trans fats, refined sugar, and chemical additives. Think packaged snacks like chips and cheese puffs, store-bought pastries and donuts, frozen meals and instant noodles, processed meats like hot dogs and sausages, sugary drinks and flavored coffee beverages, excessive caffeine. Too much can spike cortisol, your primary stress hormone, and worsen fatigue or mood swings. Alcohol disrupts liver function, which is key for detoxing hormones like estrogen. High glycemic foods. These cause sharp blood sugar spikes, which affect insulin levels and increase inflammation. Common examples: white bread, instant white rice, sugary cereals and baked goods, candy and soda. Cutting back on these can create noticeable improvements in mood, energy, and hormonal stability within weeks. Supplements and herbs for hormonal support. Sometimes food alone isn't enough, especially if you're under chronic stress, not sleeping well, or dealing with hormone-related conditions. That's where natural supplements and herbs can help support balance gently and effectively. Omega-3 supplements a great option if you're not eating fatty fish regularly. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and help regulate cortisol and reproductive hormones. Vitamin D essential for thyroid and reproductive hormone production, especially if you live in a northern climate or don't get much sun. Maca root, a traditional Andean herb that may help stabilize estrogen and progesterone levels while improving energy and mood. Ashwagandha, an adaptogen that helps your adrenal glands manage stress, easing cortisol spikes that lead to fatigue, anxiety, or sleep issues. Always consult a healthcare provider before adding new supplements, especially if you're taking medications or managing a condition. Lifestyle factors affecting hormones. Food is powerful, but it's only one piece of the hormone puzzle. Your daily habits matter just as much. Here's how to support balance beyond the plate. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Inconsistent or poor sleep raises cortisol and disrupts insulin and estrogen. Manage stress. Chronic stress floods your system with cortisol. Daily practices like yoga, deep breathing, or just a walk outdoors can calm your nervous system. Exercise regularly. Movement helps regulate insulin, boost endorphins, and promote detox, all key to hormonal health. Avoid toxins. Everyday items like plastic containers and personal care products can contain endocrine disruptors, chemicals that interfere with your hormones. Watch out for BPA in plastics, and skip lotions or shampoos with synthetic fragrances or parabens. Opt for BPA-free glass containers and clean label products when possible. Small daily upgrades add up, and your hormones will respond. Monitoring progress and when to seek help. As you begin your natural hormone diet journey, pay attention to how your body responds. Hormonal shifts can take time, but consistent changes often lead to steady improvements. Here's what to watch for: more stable moods, better energy throughout the day, fewer sugar cravings, improved sleep or menstrual regularity. But if symptoms like persistent fatigue, mood swings, irregular periods, or unexplained weight gain continue, it's time to check in with your healthcare provider. A simple blood test can reveal a lot about your hormone levels. Have you tried any of these hormone-balancing foods or natural remedies? What's worked for you? Or what are you curious to try first? Drop a comment below, read everyone, and I'd love to hear your story. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical, science-backed health tips. If you're as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to natural hormone diet that transformed my mood. Embrace health, celebrate life.